Hi. In simpliRP ERP, we can check the material supplied against a supplier purchase order in two ways. Go to Reports, Vendor Reports, List of PO released party ways. Enter the date range. Here, you can see all the purchase orders in that date range. Here you can also see PO system ID 173 has been already supplied. On the top, there is link for supply breakdown report. Please click that. Here you can see the individual goods receipt note number 221 mentioned against the PO system ID 173. Now, we can again go to Reports, GRN Reports, List of GRN with PODC. Select the date range. Here you can see, against the GRN number 221, we can see cross-reference of purchase order number 173. simpliRP ERP is the easiest way for your vendor management. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.